Hi, I'm Jamie Hicks with BASF SkyTite Roofing Systems. Let's take a couple of minutes to see if our system is right for your next project. This system is completely seamless. It has no penetrating fasteners. It enjoys the highest wind uplift resistance of any roofing product on the market. It is fully adhered and self-flashing. It is lightweight and has no ballast. It's completely waterproof. It has protective coating options that can be selected appropriate to your project. It reduces energy consumption by having the highest R value of any insulation on the market today. It is fully UL and FM approved. We utilize only approved applicators, and it enjoys low maintenance and low ownership costs. The SkyTite roofing system is appropriate for new construction as well as existing construction. We're very well suited specifically to existing, and the reason why is because the system will adhere to almost any kind of substrate, and so therefore it will adhere to existing roofing systems. So in a case where an owner has already bought and paid for and enjoyed the service of a roof for the last 20 or 30 years, in most cases where the roof is dry, we can adhere the SkyTite directly over the top of it and add to that system.
We've got a history over the past 4 or 5 years. We've already replaced 7 roofs here at the McIntosh site. We're now replacing our 8th and 9th roof. And look, bottom line, there's a couple of real good reasons why we've chosen this roofing system. One, almost all of the roofs we're working with are the old traditional built-up roofing, where they have insulation, they have tar, and they have gravel on top. One of the biggest selling points to me with this new roofing product is you're allowed to reuse all of that roofing that's not been damaged.
Our system is really good for long-term owner-operators, and the reason why is because after the system is applied, under the International Building Code, only 2 roofs can be installed on a structure. And so as the SkyTite ages and gets to the end of its serviceable life, then we rejuvenate it or we renew it.
The safety part of it was big for us because it reduces the amount of time workers on a roof, taking out the existing roof or even applying the foam.
So the system enjoys a very low leak incidence rate, and that's directly related to the fact that there are no seams in the system and no penetrating fasteners. So the fact that we're a completely monolithic system and we're self-flashing in most conditions allows us to have very low incidence rate.
We're in here in this plant doing a polyurethane foam roof. It's a seamless, self-flashing, self-adhering roof as you spray it out of the gun.
With the spray foam technology, wow, from a maintenance standpoint, what we're really interested in is a maintenance-free roof. And with this new system and with the warranty that's in place, we really expect to have a long life of maintenance-free roofing.
BASF. We create chemistry.